Hey guys, V-part units are becoming my thing, and this natural look from UNice hair, you'll want to stay tuned to this one. Alright guys, welcome or welcome back. So in today's video, we are getting into a V-part unit from UNice hair. So this is their Yaki straight V-part unit, and here is a close-up of that gorgeous texture. I absolutely love a Yaki straight texture. So this is just straight out of the box. I did not co-wash or anything. I did not dye it, but yes, I will be going back in and dyeing this a jet black to match my hair. So first, before installing, I want to go ahead and show you everything that came in the box, show you the construction of this unit, and then provide you all the specs. So first, let's just start with the construction since it's already in my hand. So we have this little piece of fabric here, so I'm going to go ahead and just cut that right off so I can get a better look of the construction. All right, so this is not needed. We do not need this little piece of fabric. So in the inside of the unit, so this is their upgraded V-part unit. So right here in the front, we have just regular combs instead of those comb clips. I know that for me personally, when there's comb clips right up here by the edges, it kind of pulls on my hair, and I do not like that feeling at all. It feels tight and uncomfortable, so I love that these are just regular combs. Now further back on the part, we do have some comb clips. So you just pop those open and shut them. Now on the sides, we have combs. So right there on the side, we have an elastic band here on the inside. We also have a comb right here in the back. Silicone right around the back of the unit to adhere to our head, especially when we go ahead and pull on this little drawstring. So this one comes with a drawstring. So it has the drawstring and also this little lock here to lock it into place. All right, so let me go ahead and show you everything that came in the box with this unit, and then I'll provide you the specs. All right guys, so here is the box that the unit came in. So let's see everything that came in this box. So inside the box, we have a satin bag that says UNice, and this is to help store our units. Also have a elastic band with the Velcro on the back to melt lace, but we will not be utilizing this today because we are working with a unit with no lace. Also a little edge brush and 2 packs of HD wig caps. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and talk you through the specs of this unit. First, I just wanna let you know that I do already have my hair prepped for this install, and that's because I just filmed another V-part unit. So I have my leave out sectioned out, and let me just show you how much I left out. So this is the amount of leave out that I left out. The rest of my hair is just braided towards the back, and I just put a nude wig cap back there just to lay everything nice and flat. But as you can see, it's not a lot of leave out. You could actually probably leave out a little bit less than this, but this was absolutely perfect for me. Okay, so here is the unit. Let's go ahead and go down the specs. So this unit is 180% density. Color is a natural black color. They have lengths ranging from 14 inches all the way up to 24 inches. Now this one is 20 inches. And let's see here what the price is. Okay, so price is $149. And let's see here. So we have the 360-degree snug fit invisible drawstring in the back, the upgraded V part. So it looks like it's growing from the scalp. So as you can see, the hair is kind of like folded over. So there's no tracks that are exposed. It's a protective style, no lace and no glue. Affordable, yes, $149 is definitely affordable. It's 100% human hair, and again, this is a Yaki straight texture. So I'm going to go ahead and just install. So I am going to first just start by clipping my leave out of the way, like so. And I'm going to go ahead and open these comb clips towards the back of the parting space of the unit. And actually, I am going to take out the elastic band in the inside of the unit. For me personally, I don't know why, but it's difficult for me to install a V-part unit with the elastic band. It's just so much easier for me to install without. So here it is, took that elastic band out. Now that's completely optional. If you like it, I love it, go ahead and utilize it. But I'm gonna start by putting this comb clip in on this side, snapping it shut, and then installing this comb right there. Come around to the other side and do the same thing. So comb clip first, snap shut, and then the other comb right there in the front. Going ahead and installing this front comb in the front of my hair. And I will say that this unit does have traditional ear tabs, no C-shaped ear tabs. I've noticed that a lot lately with these V parts, they don't have the C-shaped ear tabs. I'm confused why, but because I always have to flip it up so it's not resting on my ear. Okay, so turning around. All right, so in the back, putting this back comb in the back of my hair. Pulling on this drawstring. And then what I like to do is just tuck the end of the drawstring under the wig in the back. So just on that side. Okay. All right. So here we have it. The unit has been installed. I really would like for, I know that this is already an upgraded V-part unit, but I really wish that they would do the C-shaped ear tabs on V-part units. Because again, I do have to flip up that ear tab so it's not resting on my head. I mean, on my ear. Okay. All right, so again, this unit is 20 inches long. So scoot back so you can see the length and 180% density. All right. All right, so with your leave out, you just want to make sure that you part it right down the middle, and then just comb your leave out right over the unit. And make sure to cover in the back as well, so comb some hair in the back to cover. So same on the other side, just combing right on top. Comb your leave out down. All right, so everything is laying very nice and flat here at the top. Beautiful. So again, I want to show you how much leave out I have. So all right, so this is the amount of leave out that I have. Just a sliver of hair. All right, so I'm gonna warm up my flat iron so I can go ahead and blend this in. And then I think I'm gonna curl this one up too. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put some curls in it so we can see what that looks like. All right, so I have this wax stick that I got from my local beauty supply. What is this? BTL. I don't even know what this brand is, but I need to utilize this on my leave out because my hair has like a lot of short pieces going on, and it's probably because I spent the summer in braids, and so my hair is broken off like a lot. But just a little bit up here to kind of tame everything, lay everything nice and flat. And then I'm going to flat iron to blend this together, because as you can see, my leave out is like just standing out there. Okay, so I'm going to take my leave out with the wig and then just flat iron it down. Okay, so at the bottom, I am just going to put like a slight little bend in it, just to give it some kind of shape. All right, so here is what it looks like. Everything just straight and down. Again, 20 inches comes down to my boobs, and again, 180% density. To me, it kind of feels like 150, but it's 180. So I'm gonna give you all a full turnaround. I'm gonna put some edge control on, and then we are going to put some curls in this. I really like it just straight as is, but what the hey, let's put some curls in it. So of course, the front, side, back, and in the back comes down to about the bottom of my waist. Nice length. Side again, and front again. Let me give you all a close-up of the parting space, my edges, all of that right now. And I did not leave out any on the side, but even if I still wanted to like flip it behind my ear, I would be able to do so. It looks super duper natural. All right, guys, so basking lather edge control is my absolute favorite and my go-to. So that's what I'm using around my edges and just slicking back with an edge brush. Now, as far as the curls, I'm using my Conair curling iron. This is what I got from Amazon. It is linked down in the description box below. I think it was only like $15, maybe $20, but very affordable. And with your curls, you want to make sure that you section your hair into 2 sections, so left and right. And I usually start at the back, but I'm curling towards the back, away from my face. So no matter what side you are working on, you're always going to curl away from your face. All right, one side down, so I'm gonna do the other side off camera. All right, so the curls are done. I'm gonna use a rake comb with the wide side and just comb through the curls. And just put in some loose curls, nothing major. But here it is, and then the other side. All right, so here is the final look, curled up, and the luster is low. We are no tangles, no shedding. Beautiful natural looking V-part unit. And even though it seems like a lower density to me, I feel like the density is just right because it's giving very much so the right amount of hair, very natural amount of density. So I'm gonna turn around again so I can show you all angles. So of course the front, side, back with the curls. Very nice. Side again, and then of course the front. All right, so I have no complaints over this unit, except of course the ear tabs. I just wish we had some C-shaped ear tabs, but the texture of the hair is absolutely gorgeous, just blends right in. And I told you that my leave out is a jet black color and the unit is a natural black color, but it looks very, very good. It looks very good. No complaints there. No complaints at all. Lay very nice and flat at the top, almost like an instant sew in, a quick weave or something like that. Like you really, really took your time to do your hair. However, all you did was just put on a V-part unit. So yeah, that's the great thing about these units. It looks like you took your time to do your hair, but you took maybe 5 minutes or so. So yeah. But that concludes this video. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. I'm going to put everything down in the description box below. So a link to UNice's website, a link to this specific V-part unit. If I do have any kind of promo codes, I'll put that down there as well. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send a friend, and I will see you all in the next video.